Yo, you can barely see me. I've just got out of work and we're going to a car meet tonight. Apparently, obviously, it's bonfire night. There's a lot of fireworks going off. So, who thought it was a great idea to combine cars and fireworks? But yeah, just meet up with my mate now. Need to go get petrol and then we will be on our way. So yeah, let's get to it.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute, work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute, had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out Nashville. It's been mad real, I need sunglasses, I need Advil. I like fake boobs, and my cash real. I like first place, you're in last still. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
Bro, this is fucked. Fuck! Fucking hell, bro, what the fuck? I just got hit by fireworks. Bro, what the fuck? Oh! Hey bro, this is fucked. This is fucked. I don't know where the fuck you are. I don't know how the fuck you are. I can't even hear you. Bro, that thing blew up next to me. Bro, it fucking hit me. No, it hit me, bro. I'm standing next to it like a dickhead. Oh, rats are doing a burn. Bro, this is sad. Fucking drop. Right, no, there's no way that doesn't. Fuck! Oh, fuck! Yeah, I don't like that. Oh, his car just got hit. Bro, my guy's car just got hit by a fucking stick. That guy, the car with the light, just got hit by a stick. How is there not police here yet? Oh fuck. What? On the floor, on the floor, on the floor. Bro, someone launched it. Bro, someone launched it that way, fam. Alright, go. Alright, just keep an eye on the cars. Alright, watch it. Fuck! That's it, someone. You fucking idiot, bro. Yo, what the fuck? there's too many nice cars here.
Yes. See you later. Bye bye. This is some dodgy hand movement you're gonna have.
Yeah, fuck it.
Where the fuck is this thing?
Oh, he just hit him. Oh, some guy just hit him. Oh, bro, that's big. Yo, you're getting a smack in the face.
Alan, launch me. Yeah.
Bro, just pull in somewhere. Look at that. Oh, that's behind. Fuck. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Bro, they're gonna fuck them up, you know. Bro, who's doing that? GR86. Oh, yeah, that's bang. Oh, that is fun, that's sick, bro. Nice. Mpire, eh? That's the guy who owns it. Why is he not driving, man? Launch the car. Fuck. Bro, that's fireworks. Hey bro, what'd you do flipping? That's sick. That's like the guy that pulled you over the car. You're not putting them over, really? No, he's telling them to fuck off. Yeah, he's telling everyone to fuck off, bro. No, launch it in front of the feds. Everyone's telling him to arrest him. Man did a burnout in front of the police.
I nearly crashed it in front of him.
He nearly, oh bro, what the fuck? Alright, how has he got away with that? What, does my guy not care? Hey, fuck. Oh, fuck. Yo, bro. Alright, bro, they're having a war.
It's like a firework war inside.
There's some Harry Potter shit. He's getting payback. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh. Alright, look. Fuck!
Sorry, did that.
dickhead, fam. I watched him do it. I watched him fucking light it, fam. I watched him light it, bro.
See what I mean? But they've been putting up all the Fifth Amendment. They don't want to be put up in it. It's glad when that's something you do.
Hey, bro, it's just kicking off. Oh, fuck. Oh, you fucker, sorry. Oh, I did go out? Oh, thank fuck. I've been landing in a puddle, bro.
If you're brave, come here, fam.
Oh, they're just sending them down here like cunts, bro. Right, they're all going down there. What has happened?
I've stuck to the person.